In this tutorial, I'll show you how to flip an image in Adobe Photoshop.
So I have an image open in Adobe Photoshop. There are a couple ways to flip an image in this program. If you go up to Image, Image Rotation, Flip Canvas Horizontal, that will flip the entire canvas. So everything in your file will get flipped. I'm going to undo that. Another way to do it is to flip individual layers. So let's say I had multiple layers here. I'm just going to click and drag to duplicate this layer. But I only wanted the top layer to flip. Select the layer you want to flip in the Layers panel and go up to Edit, Transform, Flip Horizontal. You can also flip vertical, by the way. And that just flips this top image. So if I turn this layer off, you can see the bottom layer did not get affected. So that's how you flip an image in Adobe Photoshop.
If you like this tutorial, hit the thumbs up and leave a comment below, and subscribe to Cry Studio for more graphic design and Adobe tutorials. Thanks so much.